Everyone, this is Gabby from Apopka, Florida. It is Monday, August the 1st, 2016, and I have an Aldi's haul for you. I'm going to start from over here, from Friendly Farms, whipped dairy topping, Countryside Creamery, fat-free half and half, from Nature's Nectar, orange juice, Seagram's ginger ale, an assortment from Friendly Farms yogurts, from Nature's Nectar, 100% frozen orange juice. From the Sunday Shop, these are raspberry vanilla-filled ice cream bars. From Pueblo Lindo, premium coconut ice cream bars. I purchased 2 Greek yogurts for me. This salad dressing from Tuscan Garden, blue cheese flavor. From Friendly Farms, light sour cream. For my son, from Lunch Buddies, strawberry applesauce. Bakehouse, jumbo cinnamon rolls, jumbo buttermilk biscuits, jumbo flaky biscuits. From the produce section, Gala apples, Scarlet Pearl Artesian Series grape tomatoes. From the little salad bar, my favorite spinach. From Red Sun Artesian Series mini cucumbers. From Grimway Farms, cut and peel baby carrots. From Nature Right Blueberries. Monterey, which is a local company, sliced mushrooms. I haven't seen this before. I'm going to try this for the first time. Bremer Everyday Chicken Pot Pie. Season's Choice Potato Puffs. Savorit's Original Saltine Crackers. From Millville, these are crunchy granola bars and peanut butter flavor. And for my son, from Southern Grove, Cashews, halves and pieces. They're in sea salt. I only spent $47 today. I'll put the prices down in the description. So I hope you guys have a happy Monday. Be safe, be wise, be well, and most of all, be happy. Have a wonderful week. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.